Hey guys, how to access Cloudways File Manager. So click the three bars at the top left. Under Cloudways Flexible, you're going to see My Applications. Press it. Now as you can see, I don't have any applications or credentials inside Cloudways, but if you do, just scroll a little bit down to find Add SFTP User. Right now, a screen will pop up. Right, it says add credentials, like in the screenshot. You're gonna add username, password, and a little bit you're gonna add like a address for the SFTP, and you're gonna find it somewhere in the Cloudways website. Okay, and once you add, you'll also need the server address and port number, and basically you're gonna hit submit. Now let's switch gears and head over to Filezilla. Right, so what you're gonna do in Filezilla, right, if you haven't already installed Filezilla, download it from their official website and install it. Once you open Filezilla from inside the Cloudways, what you're gonna do, click that tab for quick connect bar, and this is where you will be entering the details you previously noted down. First, type the server address into the host field, and the host is essentially the location of your cloud applications. Next, enter the SFTP username and password into the respective fields. Finally, input the port number. Usually for SFTP FTP connections, the default port is 22, but this can vary based on your provider's settings. Okay, and once everything is in place, you're gonna just click connect button in the Filezilla, right? And Filezilla will begin to establish a connection to your Cloudways server, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.